What is it? What is that? What is it? That's a big frog, ain't it? That's a bullfrog, man. That's what you call a bullfrog. You can bite your head off. I don't think you need to be messing with him. He got kind of weird looking stripes on him. It's a big ass frog, Chief. I don't have anything to gauge him by, but that is a big ass frog. He's a itty bitty frog. I do believe Chief is scared of him. What is it? It's a big frog, ain't it? He's not little bitty like him you pick on, is he? Shh. No bark. A big frog. Big frog. Big frog. What? What do you want me to do about it? I don't like them neither. Chief. 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 Okay, that's enough. Come on. It's enough, Chief. Now. It's enough. Now. This is more your speed. He's still scared.